Hello, I'm Stefano Bonaventura, co-founder of Piumino with Michele Tarolli. Our name comes from a play on words in Italian. Piumino means padded jacket, and the plus symbol adds the extra layer of meaning. It sets us apart and represents the added value behind every jacket we create: style, performance, and authentic sustainability. More sustainability because we are based in Trentino, the greenest region in Italy. More style because every piece is designed and crafted in Italy, with an almost 0-kilometer production chain. More respect for the environment because we use only recycled, low-impact fabrics and fillings. More respect for animals because all our products are completely cruelty-free. And more protection because our garments are truly technical and high-performing. Piumino jackets are warm, water-repellent, and made to last, expressing a new idea of ethical fashion where beauty and responsibility work side by side. Today, Piumino is growing rapidly among eco-friendly and ethical boutiques across Italy. And we are now expanding internationally, looking for partners and distributors who wish to offer sustainable, Italian-made innovation with a refined aesthetic. For a cleaner and more ethical future.